Hi guys, we have here Miss Summer Island, Catherine.
Hello everyone!
Hello, welcome to Critical Beauty Philippines. Catherine, let's have fast talk.
Sure.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Swimwear or long gown?
Long gown.
High heels or rubber shoes?
High heels.
Lunch or dinner?
Dinner.
Sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Favorite color?
Red.
Favorite expression?
Smiling. Happy.
Favorite food?
Chicken.
Favorite fruit?
Grapes.
Favorite app?
TikTok.
Favorite beauty queen?
Catriona Gray.
Always beautiful or always sexy?
Always beautiful.
Beautiful or smart?
Smart.
Love or crown?
Love.
Appetizer or dessert?
Appetizer.
Walang kilay or walang lipstick?
Walang kilay.
Mahal ka or mahal mo?
Mahal ako.
Showbiz crush?
Showbiz crush, I feel like Heart Evangelista.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Anytime.
One word, describe yourself as a woman.
Phenomenal.
Ito ang salamin. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa sarili?
We're almost there.
Catherine, my last question. Why you should be the next Miss Universe Philippines?
I was 7 years old when I first told myself that someday I'd conquer the universe. And for the longest time, it was my younger self who had faith in me. And honestly, I want to tell her that, Kat, we're almost there. And if it weren't for the village who supported me, I wouldn't be here. I should be the next Miss Universe because of my age and because of my experience. I want to bring that to the table. I want to show everyone that being young is not a disadvantage. I want to show up on that stage and become a representation to the youth. I want them to look at me and to think that they can also reach their dreams no matter how far or how hard it is. I want them to think that they can conquer mountains no matter who they are and no matter where they come from. Mga salamat.
Thank you very much, Catherine.
Thank you so much.
Hello guys, welcome to Critical Beauty Philippines. We have here Casey De Fiesta from Zamboanga City. Casey, let's have fast talk.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Swimwear or long gown?
Ooh, I love the swimwear.
High heels or rubber shoes?
Heels, of course.
Lunch or dinner?
I think lunch.
Sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Favorite color?
I love the red because super empowered.
Favorite expression?
Fierce.
Favorite food?
Ooh, chicken, spaghetti. So I'm in a diet now, so siguro mag-veggies na lang.
Favorite fruit?
Ooh, pineapple.
Favorite app?
Favorite app, I think Instagram.
Favorite beauty queen?
Of course, Zamboanga City.
Yeah,
No other
I like
than.
that. Always beautiful or always sexy?
I think both.
Beautiful or smart?
Both.
Love or crown?
Of course, love.
Appetizer or dessert?
Appetizer.
Walang kilay or walang lipstick?
I'm ready to choose walang lipstick.
Mahal ka or mahal mo? Mahal mo?
Siyempre, mahal ako.
Yes. Showbiz crush?
Joshua Garcia. Na-reveal na lang.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness, of
Best
course.
time for happiness?
Ooh. With family.
One word, describe yourself as a woman.
I'm Casey De Fiesta, an empowered woman.
Ito ang salamin. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa sarili?
I'm so confident, with compassion, and with a purpose.
Casey, my last question. Why you should be the next Miss Universe Philippines?
Oh, I like that. I should be in Miss Universe because I conquer and embody the value of Miss Universe with confidence, compassion, and with a purpose.
Yay! Thank you very much, Casey.